Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you are into high-end DIY projects on a budget. Alright, so let's get started. For DIY number 1, I decided to take a trip down to my Goodwill and I got this beautiful Bible for $1.99 on a budget, right? And what we're going to do here is we're going to glam it up. But before we do that, we're going to remove the staples so we don't hurt ourselves. And we're going to clean it as well to make it easy to work with. So if you guys are interested in this type of videos, I can make more for you guys where I go down to the thrift store and get products and we can doll it up. Okay, so we're going to start out by painting all around the Bible where you see the wood. And I'm going to be using the Rustoleum accent paint. It's silver metallic paint and it's really good on wood. The red ribbon you see here, I was trying to tape it up so it would not get in the way of me painting. But at one point, I did go ahead and just take it out because I replaced it with another beautiful ribbon, as you'll see in the video. And now I'm going to be painting inside of the Bible this beautiful gold color. Hey lovelies, I hope that you're having a lovely day. I'm just checking in to see how you guys doing. I hope that you're staying healthy and keeping yourself safe out there. I'm wishing you many, many blessings. Alright, so it's time to glam it up. And we're going to be using this beautiful adhesive blingy sticker strip. And what we're going to do is we're going to line up the perimeter of the Bible. And we're going to cut little strips to do that. And we're going to make this Bible very blingy and very beautiful. Well, thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Well, if you like my content, please consider subscribing. I have more to show you guys. I do high-end DIY projects on a budget. And do be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. And hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. Okay, so we're going to add the top part of the Bible, and I did go ahead and bling out the perimeter of it just like I did for the bottom part. And I'm going to be using this beautiful ribbon that I got from, I believe it's Joanne, but I'll link it in the description box. And we're going to hot glue it on there to make it nice and beautiful. Next, we're going to be using these Dollar Tree stickers so I could put the Bible verse that I want. So I chose this one, but as you know, you can choose whatever ones you want. And this other little sticky thing I got from Hobby Lobby. It's made by Paper Studios. And on this side, as you can see here, I'm making a cross. Okay, in the end, I'm going to show you how I display it. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so for DIY number 2, we are going to glam up this beautiful wooden piece that I got from the Goodwill. And we're going to start out by painting it that same beautiful Rustoleum accent metallic color. And we're going to glam it up, as you will see, so keep on watching. Here we're using our diamond strip I got from Amazon. Alright guys, the big reveal. Wow, I think this piece turned out so beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. And where would you put this piece in your home? Be sure to comment down below. And if you enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, it's free. And I have a lot to show you guys. High-end DIY projects on a budget. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And share with your family and friends. Please check out this video next. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.